with Homax TexPro system will help out with texturing, one of the options for decorative painting. It will help speed up work by 70%. See how quickly we connect the compressor, insert the cartridge, and you can start. Besides, Homax TexPro is 60% lighter than a regular gun with a bunker, and in the kit there are 3 nozzles at once to adjust the spray intensity. Sell Homax TexPro for $280. The weight of a professional jackhammer goes away easily for 10 kilograms, so that by the end of the shift, the worker's hands do not fall off. Hilti company sells this kind of system. She attaches to the back, reducing the load on the muscles. System weighs 8 kilograms, withstands tools up to 17 kilograms. Same jackhammer will become almost weightless, which means reduced risk of injury, and the worker is less stressed. The truth is worth developing Hilti, so leave no $2,000. Masterclass on selling stairs. Set the tilt indicator and the price rises to $219. Is okay. Actually, there's still a lot of interesting things in those stairs. Let's look at the example of the top model. Height 3 hole 81 100 meters. It folds to a meter length. Offers 12 wide steps. Withstands up to 150 kilograms. And the same indicator helps expose safe angle from 65 to 75 degrees. That's really a step above the competition. Price you already know. Why put one battery if there is enough space for 4? Look up how much power this approach added. Blower's MILWAUKEE. She got cooler than similar models with a gasoline engine. At 60 cc's, the air accelerates to 250 km/h. At full capacity, the technique comes out in just a second. 4 meters 18 batteries will provide up to an hour of operation. And if they are needed in other tools, you can only leave 2 noises technique on. 62 decibels is the approximate level of loud conversation. Together with 4 batteries for 12 amp hours and charger, the blower costs about $1,000 and a half. Name at the Skil power system. Nike drain cleaner long, but works she fast. At blockages in the shower. There's no chance in the kitchen, bath, and other places. Carbon steel cable. Stretches 7 holes 610 meters. And effective in diameter pipes. Up to 5 centimeters. Everything is thought out to the smallest detail. See a black thing that looks like a tank top? This is him and is. No more water on the floor when pulling the cable. Another OnePlus systems. She's wireless. Useful when you need to climb. Cleverly laid in a tight space pipe. Standard kit includes 2 amp hour battery. And charging is very good for $99. Rivets and SUMAKE are good too, depending on the model. Work cycle fits into 1 hole to 10, either 2 hole to 10 seconds. Full battery enough for 750 rivets. Diameter 6 hole for 10 millimeters. Engine brushless. Warms less. Works longer. There is auto reverse and patented system, reducing the risk of jamming. Well, wear without lighting. Ended up with tools, which passed European Tough certification and American, and a C prices manufacturer sends on request. Inline thermal cutter Kemper 1-800. The temperature of his lesbian is adjustable from 180 up to 450 degrees. This stock is enough for the skin, nylon, plastic, and other materials. Depth cutting is adjusted to a maximum of 15 centimeters. Later, this model was replaced by a more powerful, called Kemper 1810. She offers already 500 degrees. Metabo Body Grip B18 Lexbel 1128. As long as the title so. What is this? Right, grinding machine is extremely good. If space is small, a lot of work. You know how frozen the developers are. Back of the case, in which there is a battery, rotates in 90-degree increments. By the way, power tool is not inferior to drive models. At 1100W. Revolutions are adjusted accurately and smoothly thanks to the wheel. About safety also not forgotten. Spindle stops in less than a second. The rest of the models of this line were going into the car. Came out at Metabo no worse. And the one we just talked about costs $265. A long time ago, the weakness of the desk, not associated with computers. You can return those glorious times with the help of WORX Pegasus. This is a great idea for a gift to everyone who went too deep into online and long ago. Not a capitalist. With a weight of 14 kilograms, table can withstand up to 136. And if it is used as a goat, then ready to load up to 454 kilograms. Clamps are included. A working surface if necessary. Halved. Sell Pegasus works for $150. Among other tools, FISKARS produces, and these are the variations on the theme of Bagrov. They grab wood tight from one hit and make it easy to move trunks, chop wood, and solve other wooden tasks. One of the features of this tool line, special serrated hooks. They are not only elastic, but also lungs. A 32 to 30 centimeter long bagger weighs only 220 grams. And in addition, you can take a grab, for example under logs up to 20 centimeters in diameter. Bagger played by Sappie X Hay 2 costs $30. Capture will cost $61. A piece of rubber for $138. Don't jump to conclusions. It's called RAIMONDI AP and is very useful for tiles because it simplifies sharp drilling, application of glue, and other operations. RAIMONDI can withstand load up to 75 kilograms. The tiles laid on it don't slip and vibrate less. And additional space between tiles, and for example, desk allows you to work more confidently and safely because the legs are flexible enough so as not to damage the tool with accidental contact. Everyone has strupsins like strupsins. The pony developers went their own way and came to an innovative ice-attended design. Their clamps aren't only super twisting resistant, but also allow you to regulate the pressure without additional tools, so that they do not come off in the process. Soft linings, developers stuck them. Options by grip width 102, 50 and 38 millimeters clamps for sale at $11. Took a break from killer prices. Then it's time for a $585 gib sheet. This is a professional solution for forming bends up to 100 degrees. You can work directly on the site with panels of any length. Handle removable. That simplifies work in cramped. Roofer dream tool. Confident sellers. Patented tile alignment system. MARSHALLTOWN FASTcap saves the most valuable. What do we have? Time developers relied on ratchet mechanism and did not lose. Not only is it convenient and reliable, so also additional tools are not needed. There is no system on the market which would allow you to work faster, and the lids can be reused, so also saving turns out. A set of 400 elements will cost about $100. A regular axe splits a log into 2 parts, but this is already on 4. Seemingly nothing special. However, many self-made don't just do their variations well and apply for a patent. Apparently they have. Plan and they stick to it. But in serial performance, similar things go in the category of crushes. For example, Patriot C3 costs ridiculous $13. Core Bulls. Funny and at the same time useful thing for everyone who often works with a drill or screwdriver. This is a nozzle drawing laser circles, keeping track of the distance between them. Easy to drill strict perpendicular wall or working surface, and the number of circles allows you to determine the depth. Set with 2 nozzles will cost $139. When fully charged each, it works 9 hours. That's chaos. Yes, working alone is sometimes uncomfortable, but nothing substitutes shoulder-ready IRWIN Quick Elevator. It can withstand up to 150 kilograms load and lift doors, windows, and anything else up to 25 centimeters high. Thanks to tricky foundation form, jack helps out even in a cramped workspace. Carpenters, window dressers, floor masters. Such a jack is useful to many, unless of course, sorry, $120. First area, swift wedge attack, stained area. Special solution, then brushes, and finally, powerfully draw in from pollution and moisture. Powered this vacuum cleaner by battery systems. Band plus if you put the top one for 9 amp hours. You can clean up for 93 minutes. Dog paw prints, lipstick marks, trash in the car cabin. All this is no longer a problem. And also the vacuum cleaner is suitable for deep cleaning, carpets, and furniture upholstery. Complete with 2 amp hour battery and charging. Probist Biffed Wedge will cost $160. Matthew and lovely gift. Sure sellers of this set. For $50 they offer a suitcase with an electric screwdriver, replaceable bits, and charging cable. Tool gives up to 200 revolutions per minute and pleases. Torque at 0.4, 30 Newton meter. For convenience, LED lighting was built into the housing. Powered by a screwdriver due to a battery of 2000 milliampere hours. What do you think really bridge have? When working with wood, masters sometimes need just a few moves until the perfect result. To don't run after the lob. You can put it in your apron pocket or hang it on your belt. Here is such a tool from the company Woodpeckers. Essentially, it's a pen, which holds the canvas. Tighten it like on a knife with a sang clamp, and everything is ready, complete with canvas. This marvel of science and technology costs $60. I'm so appreciative for your support and trust, which has consistently fueled my passion for creating engaging content. It's the support of people like you that keeps me motivated to keep the content fresh and captivating. So, thank you once again. I hope you've enjoyed the videos we've shared so far, and I look forward to creating many more for your continued enjoyment. Wishing all of you a fantastic day ahead, may luck be by your side. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thank you for tuning in. Until we meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.